Alright, what's going on everyone? I know it's been a really long time since I made a video, but we are back here with another unboxing. So, this is actually my new MacBook Pro. Not new to me. But what happened was I actually purchased a 2009 MacBook Pro 17-inch Core 2 Duo a while back, but I never made a video on it because I just didn't have the time. I kind of was just done with the whole Core 2 Duo thing. Overall, a really slow machine. Even though it was really nice and the display was gorgeous, it was time to upgrade, and I'm willing to sacrifice a larger screen for a little bit smaller, high resolution, and a much faster machine. So, without any more talking, let's go ahead and get this thing opened. As you can see, this thing really wasn't packaged the best, so let's hope it's still in one piece. But I got this thing off eBay, so it wasn't a super great deal, but it was all right. So here, I gotta be careful where I stand because the charger's literally right there on top of the box. So, all right. Straight off the rip, we've got the charger. All right. Oh my gosh. Got the charger here. I'm gonna try to keep everything in frame, but we got the charger. Put that off to the side. Looks like my packing information. Yep, don't need that. And last but not least should be the actual MacBook Pro itself. I'll grab this thing. I see it. It's super thin. Alright. Without scratching this thing up. I appreciate the large amount of bubble wrap, but man, it's a little tricky to get. Alright, so here she is, guys. This is my new to me late. Alright, it's a little dirty. Whoa, it's really dirty. Late 2013 Retina MacBook Pro. Let me bring it right there. Yeah, it's really dirty, but whatever. Doesn't affect anything. All right, it's filthy. Jeez. Yeah, late 2013 Retina MacBook Pro. Yeah, late 2013 Retina MacBook Pro. It's almost fully spec'd.
macOS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver.
Yeah, I get it.
If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to turn it on.
Yep, English, whatever. Alright guys, sorry about that. I had to kind of clean it up. It was filled with sand and dirt all over the screen. But yeah, so as you guys can see here, I don't know how well you can see it, but let's see if I can zoom in and show you guys the specs here. It is running macOS Catalina 10.15.1, which is my first Catalina machine. Retina 15-inch, late 2013, 2.3 gigahertz quad i7, 16 gigs of RAM. It's got the Iris Pro in it, and it also has the, let's see here, it should have the GT750M. Let's see here. Yeah, GT750M, 2 gig card. So it's a nicely spec machine. I just needed something that has a little more juice for school and stuff like that. Yeah, I just need something that had a little bit more juice. But yeah, as you guys can see, this thing's in pretty decent shape. Not a whole lot of scratches on it. The only thing I will say though, it is dirty. And this is probably going to need to be cleaned, taken apart. The keyboard taken apart, everything cleaned out. But I might do that one day, might not. But yeah, guys, this is the new laptop. And hopefully I have this one for a long time because I don't know if you guys remember the 2012 I had with the GT650M. That actually had a pretty bad GPU failure. That was actually pretty annoying. I had to sell that basically for parts, and I paid a good amount of money for that machine. But yeah, guys, this is new machine. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. I've got new projects coming up in a few weeks. Got some stuff on the way. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Alright guys, so it's been a little bit of time, just been checking it out, setting it up. This has Thunderbolt 2, actually, which some of the 2013s have Thunderbolt 1. This is a Thunderbolt 2 one. And this is also the maxed out one with 16 gigs of RAM. So I just thought that was pretty cool, and yeah. Alright guys, it's been about an hour, maybe 2 hours, maybe 3, I don't know. But yeah, this thing is lightning fast compared to the 2012 MacBook Pro that I have, the Retina. I'm not sure if it's because of the 16 gigs of RAM or the different storage, but this thing is super, super quick. I'm really impressed, but I will say, one thing I'm not impressed about is in this right here. That wasn't in the ad either. So, yeah. But yeah, just to let you know, this thing is really, really fast. The thing's a pretty nice computer. It's just dirty. The keyboard needs to be cleaned. There's a dent. There's a crack right here. But whatever. For the price I paid for it, I'm not really too upset. It is significantly cheaper than all the other late 2013 Retina MacBook Pros out there. So, yeah. I think that's it.